So today is Sam's first day of homeschool. We've actually been doing homeschool for over a year now because she started last year, didn't you, Sam?
Yeah, so, well, are you thinking why I'm wearing all this stuff? Well, just because I want to be pretty for these, you know, I just want to be pretty for these, for the picture I took, you know, and also this video. So I just want to wear all of these for this video and the picture I already took. So it's really fun to see you again. So can
you show them your desk?
What did you say?
Show them your desk where you're doing your homeschool.
So this is my desk where I'm doing my homeschool.
So Sam started doing homeschool last year at the age of 3. We didn't do it like consistently, and we completed about 3. Here's a workbook she's working on now. So we completed about 3 of these workbooks over the course of last year. So it wasn't like structured. It wasn't every day, certain times. In fact, it was like maybe sometimes only once a week that she did work because she was literally 3 and then just turned 4. And we did some over the summer. We've been working on this school book here since, I don't know, maybe the beginning of the year. Summer review prep for kindergarten and grade 1. So this year we're actually going to do it structured. Today's the first day that all the kids went back to school. So Samantha has her little desk here in her bedroom, and she spent the morning doing a thing called Mystery Science, where it was on the internet. Like I pay a subscription fee, and there's like a teacher on there teaching her stuff. And she did that this morning, learning about, what did you learn about on your Mystery Science this morning, Sam? Sam? What did you learn about on your Mystery Science class this morning?
Questions.
About?
And, you can ask questions.
Okay, about scientists and stuff?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So she learned that. That's a really cool thing. And then she has abcmouse.com that she does on the iPad and stuff. We'll do that later this afternoon. But this morning, like I said, we're working on this book. And I actually have books, so we're going to do it every day, Monday to Friday. We're going to sit at her little desk because she seems to be doing the best sitting at her desk. I used to have her sitting at the table or on the couch, and it was like torturing her, so now she seems to enjoy being here. So here are our books, our lessons for this year. So this is grade 1 material mostly. There is some kindergarten. See some of these books here, I'll show you. Here, we have English, kindergarten, curriculum. Phonics workbook, developing phonics skills. So that's grade 1. We have writing kindergarten. I have a writing grade 1 somewhere in here as well.
I should be
more phonics.
Right.
Yeah.
Maybe I should be in grade 10.
Grade 10. Beginning.
I'm too smart.
You are.
So I should be in grade 10.
Beginning to read books. Sam already does a lot of reading at home. At nighttime, I get her to read certain things. So another reading book. So we're doing kind of kindergarten and grade 1 stuff. Oh, get your hand out, baby. There's your kitty, yeah. Kindergarten workbook. This is a big workbook. So I'm looking forward to doing this one. This one we're going to start next. As soon as she's done the workbook on her desk, we're starting this one. Then I have a big math book here for kindergarten. It's a bunch of stuff for me to do with her. What's underneath here? Puzzle Mania. She loves puzzles and mazes and stuff like that. So, yeah, these are all the books we're going to work through over the course of the year. And then there's ones that, like that big workbook, has different projects and stuff we can do together. Writing. I think I already showed you that. So she's getting really good. She loves math, word skills, so spelling and stuff. Her favorite thing, she can read quite a few words. It's actually really surprising. Her favorite thing seems to be math. She loves math, and she's super good at math. She can count to 100 by 1s, by 2s, by 5s, by 10s, and she can add and subtract, I don't know, maybe up to 20, at least up to 10. Add and subtract. Hi, Black. So just stuff like this as well. I got a lot of this off of another homeschooling lady. This was stuff that she just didn't use, so I got it secondhand. A lot of it. A couple of these workbooks I had sent to me. Somebody had sent them to me, and you can buy them at like Chapters and Walmart and stuff. So these are her books. Here's another big one, Math Smart, so grade 1. So there's just a lot of different materials here. And another reading one. So, and then for science and stuff, I have a couple books in there. We also got these stories down here. What did I get for science? Learning about soil. And then there's a couple on different flowers and stuff in here. I picked up a bunch of books for that. We all have our telescope. We're going to learn about the moon and the stars. Flowers, how flowers grow. We have just a bunch of different random things all in here for her. We got some puzzles and stuff. So today we are going to get back to completing her summer review math and reading book. And I think we're learning about money right now. Yeah, here we are. So we're learning about money right now. She's been doing this for like 2 or 3 days now. We did homeschool, a little bit of work yesterday, but today is the first day that I've actually sat her down in her bedroom at her little desk, and it seems to be working great. And then this afternoon we're going to go to the public library. Sam loves to go to the library, and we'll go there and return some of our books we rented and pick a couple new ones. So Sam, can you sit back down at your desk? We're going to start. Can you say bye?
Bye everybody. I can't wait to see you next time.
So if you're new here, we are off-grid homesteaders and homeschoolers. We are a retired military family. My husband was medically released from the military, and we started this new life. Bought 70 acres of land, built our house from the ground up. Have a 4-year-old that we're homeschooling together. So yeah, anyway, like, subscribe if you liked this video, and if you want to watch more and follow along on our journey as we continue to grow our farm. Next year we're going to continue to, well, over the winter we're going to work on the inside of the house that we built. Next year we're going to have gardens, hopefully animals, and we're just going to continue to develop our land slowly but surely. So stick along and watch us as we go.